I choose grey. This is my journey where it started. I always had, all women in fact have this fear of, oh, we'll go old, or we'll turn grey, and then we have to put obviously hair dyes or whatever. But I realized something after my journey cancer, that when I lost my hair and my hair grew black, I said, forget it. I'm not going to color it, because coloring also has a lot of chemicals in the body, which may also cause cancer. So in a world that is always rushing and always chasing, I chose something different. I chose grey, not to look older but to be freer. I chose minimal, less noise, less pressure, more peace. Because real beauty is not about hiding time, it is about embracing who you've become. Real beauty is not about colors and looking good. Confidence is the real beauty. I stopped coloring, and then I just felt free, from the headache of all that, and I felt more authentic. I was not obsessed, in a world today which is obsessed with filters and always looking good, and this is the way it should be with photographs and Instagram. I think it's so much stress. Your body goes under so much stress doing all these things. So I just chose to go minimal. I chose to be myself, and that was great. No more hiding, no more pretending, no more wanting to be someone else, just being confident the way I am. I chose simplicity, I chose authenticity, I chose grey. Not that I gave up my beauty, it's just that I felt there was something deeper in me. So that's why today we have like so many women, not only me, that obviously it does happen that we color, makeup and all these things, but how much are we really hiding ourselves? I realized that the pressure now, because of social media and looking good, there's always pressure in us, and then always then the health issues start from stress only, and of course it's a lot of other factors, lifestyle changes and all. So I chose grey. These are for the women who sometimes feel scared, or women who are a little plump, or women who feel that they always have to look good. And this journey of cancer taught me that life is very short. You never know what happens tomorrow. And the more original you are, the more authentic you are, the more simple you are, your life gets more easier for you and less stress. So I still remember when, if you see my earlier videos, I have short hair because then hair starts coming back, and earlier videos of course I've colored, but then I was like, what, this is me, so let's just be that way. So that's why this is like a call for all the people out there, that just be yourself, be confident and be happy with who you are, and don't pretend to be someone else. Okay, and thank you so much for listening to this video. Forward this video to your family and friends, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do have a look at my website www.natashaadvani.com.